Hello, this video is how to sign up for the free Hostia website. It's pretty simple and straightforward, but I thought I would step you through it a little bit. First of all, as you can see in the upper URL here, you go to www.freehostia.com and you'll get this as their homepage. And just a little sidebar here, of course, if you want to use any other hosting site, feel free to. I just found this one to be one of the cheaper ones out there. We can get a web serving for a year for $4.50. Most of them are at least $9.99 or something. So use anything you want. You'll just need to send me the URL of your site so I can click on the URL and view your web page from a web server. So the free one is called Chocolate down here in the left. So you click on Take a Bite and it comes up to a page just explaining the different features. Trust me, it's more than what we will need. So you click Take a Bite and you come to this page, and we're in Chocolate, so we leave that alone. The key thing down here is to register a new domain name, and that's what costs you. Actually, the Chocolate is free, but they charge $4.50. Ignore the $9.95 right here. For now, they charge $4.50 for a domain name for a year. So I'm going to suggest that to make it unique and to make it pointing to you, we're going to click in this space here. It's www dot, okay, what are we going to call it? How about if we call it the same as like your login? So Carl Smith would be CSMITH. Now, to make it a little bit unique for us, I'm going to ask you to add an EA for achieve at the end of it. So all of your names will have your login name with an EA at the end of it. Now this is crucial. Go over here to where it says .com and the little choice arrows here, and slide up to .we.bs. That's the one that's $4.50. So you can see that changed to $4.50 now. And so your domain name will be www.esmithea.we.bs. Okay, then you can fill out this information here that they need for registration purposes. You've got to put the little code here in at the bottom, and then you'll click continue. Just the company's not important, of course. If I click continue here, it will kick me out, but I'll try to put in some stuff here to satisfy them. I've already signed up myself. Put your school email in here. And the address. Select your state. Okay, and we've put that in there, and oh, okay, yeah, you've got to put domain name. I wonder why that didn't pop up. I must not have clicked something right. Oh, go! I forgot to click go. Sorry. So yeah, now we're at $4.50. After you put your name in the WS, you got to click go. You get this. Put in that information, and then pick your credit card, and within about 24 hours you'll have your domain name. So it's as simple as that. You got to get a parent or somebody with a credit card to put this in. It's $4.50 a year, so you'd have this domain name for a year. Now if you ultimately want to make a site for a parent or somebody that you already know that Carl's Automotive or something like that. You could change the name to something like that. It is going to have the WE.BS at the end of it. Um, I mean, if you want to pick .com, you can try to see if that name's been taken and pay more. That's up to you. But this is the cheapest way to get in, unless you know that you want a domain name that makes some sense to Susie's plants or something like that. You could pick that if you wanted to. So I hope this helps explain the simple way to get to log in and get a web server account through FreeHostia.